Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing with the Panasonic TMAX50 and I will give you my first impression. Now let's go with the unboxing. This is the Panasonic TMAX50. This is how it looks. So it is very clear that after we take it out of the box, it has two 8-inch woofers, two mid-range drivers, that is quite good dimension, and two small tweeters. Let's plug it in. At the back you will see here that it has an optical in, just like the LG RNC9, the spot where you can place the antenna, and the aux in with RCA. And here we have the mic in, mic 2, and two USB. Let's turn it on. Oh, it has a fan. It was spinning like hell. So this is it. It looks good. It has the similar size with the JBL Party Box 700 and the LG RNC9. It is quite bigger and heavier. What do you think about this? Do you like these colors? I don't like. So here is the, oh, this is moving really hard, really hard. I don't like this. This is a small display, and now let's try to play a song. It has a DJ button, illumination, sound, preset 3, bass, mids, treble, surround, D-bass level. Okay, let's put a sound on it to see how it will sound. So that was the test. I am speechless. So if I like very much the 710, the 1000, the JBL Party Box Ultimate, even the LG RNC9, I like them. Even the Sony XV900, I consider it to be a very good speaker. But this, I think this is a design from the 1990s. The lights are very ugly. This works very hard. It looks like a DJ pad. I don't like it. What can I say? So the conclusion is very simple. For $500, this is the price. $500. The LG RNC9. Here, let me show you. This cost only $400. Both have two 8-inch woofers, both have two tweeters. The Panasonic have two mid-range drivers extra, but in my opinion the bass that comes out from the LG, it is better. I don't like this bass. It's punchy, but it is a cheap bass. I don't like it. The highs and the mids are very loud, but that not means it is very good. I don't like the sound quality. Let's press for 2 seconds to see the demo sound. 1, 2. Yes, it is loud, but I do not like the audio quality. So what do you think about these speakers? In my opinion, if you like this kind of speaker, take a look at the JBL Party Box 710 because it is much better. Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button.
Panasonic